guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you guys already know by the title and the thumbnail, today I am going to review this K Beauty new launches. So K Beauty has recently launched their HD setting loose powder, HD translucent powder as well as illuminating powder. So I have been trying this out from March. Yes, it was supposed to be launched in March, but just because of COVID-19 lockdown, it just got delayed. So finally I can talk about this because I have been using it since I have received it. So just let's get started with today's video. So this is how the packaging looks like, as you can see, and here are all the 8 setting loose powders. There is the translucent powder and this is the illuminating powder. Now the main ingredient in this is avocado butter, which hydrates your skin, and there is also mango butter, which brightens up your skin. Now K Beauty also claims that this gives you matte finish. It makes your makeup stay longer. It is very lightweight and it absorbs excess oil. Now I will definitely come to that later. Let's talk about baking, because I honestly love baking and I bake every time I do my makeup. Baking is a technique where you put excessive powder and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and that gives you that smooth, flawless, poreless finish, and it also helps to make your makeup stay longer and creaseless. I absolutely love baking because I have oily skin. Now you don't have to have oily skin to bake. You can also bake if you have dry skin, but it's all up to you. If you have that crease underneath your eyes, you can definitely go for baking. I love baking. You can see my under eyes look so smooth. I have used this today, so I am also going to show you the demo how I use it. So guys, this is the packaging of the HD setting loose powder. As you can see, it comes in beautiful 8 shades and which is suitable for all Indian skin tone. Now the inner packaging of the setting powder looks like this. It definitely looks very similar to the translucent powder packaging and the illuminator powder packaging. Okay, so this is how the product looks like, as you can see. So I use the K Beauty HD setting loose powder in the shade banana for my baking. So I take a generous amount of this on a weight sponge. Now you can definitely go for a brush as well, but I recommend sponge. So I just apply a lot of powder underneath my eyes, little bit on the side of my nose and under my contour, so that it looks very snatched. Now I let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes and then I just dust it off. I just dust off the excess powder with a brush. I like baking my eyebrows as well so that it looks natural. I take a little bit of powder, I just let it sit right here in front. I just blend it with the spoolie and it just gives you that really nice natural looking brows. So this helps to set your makeup in place. It is extremely lightweight and it definitely has little bit of coverage in it. This definitely helps to absorb excessive oil. It gives you that really nice matte finish, and I really love how my under eyes look smooth and flawless. So let me just quickly swatch all the 8 shades of the HD setting loose powder for you guys. Alright guys, now let's talk about the translucent powder, and this is how the packaging looks like. As I said, it definitely looks very similar to this, but the top of the packaging, I mean the cap, is a little bit different. So in that way you can differentiate which one is what. So I like to use this all over my face. Now what it does is it actually helps to absorb excess oil. It makes your makeup last really long. Now this also gives you that HD poreless finish, and it also helps in absorbing sweat. So this is definitely for me. I sweat a lot, so if you're someone who sweats a lot, you can definitely try this translucent powder to set your face. This is extremely lightweight. It doesn't have coverage. It is very white in color, but it doesn't gives you that white cast, which I absolutely love. Now next up, let's talk about this. As you can see, this is the HD illuminating loose powder. in the shade Classic Gold. And here is the packaging. As you can see, it gives you that reflecting packaging, which I love obviously. And this is how the inner product looks like. It is definitely a beautiful gold highlighter which is very mild. It is not glittery and it is not like chunky, so it just gives you that really nice healthy glow. And if you want, you can definitely build it up. This is again very lightweight, mild, and it has that perfect shade which is suitable for all Indian skin tones. This can be used on your face as well as on your shoulder or your body, whatever you like. You can definitely use it for that. This is the illuminating powder. As you can see, it just gives you that really nice healthy glow. But yes, if you want, you can definitely build this up. Let me just show you. You can definitely build this up and get that blinding effect. I really like the shade. It is really nice. It just melts into the skin, and again, it absorbs excessive oil because it is in powder form. Now guys, coming to the claims, it definitely gives you that matte finish. It is extremely lightweight and easy to use, and it definitely helps to absorb excessive oil. And yeah, I really like the finish it gives. Also guys, I honestly love the shade range. They have included such dark shade as well, which is so good. So a great job Kay Beauty has done making this, and I honestly loved it. This is available on Nykaa store as well as website, so I'm going to mention the link. Don't forget to check that one out. So if you guys find this video helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.